Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn off cache or clear cache in Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. It's very easy to do so. Without any delay, let's get started. Open your device, then open to your device settings. Go to your device settings, scroll and select app or application. It might be different depending on your device. Locate and tap on the Candy Crush Saga from the list of installed app, or you can search on it by search bar. Then tap on storage, tap on clear cache. This will remove temporary files stored by the app without deleting your game data. And here you go, it's done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment down below for more queries and what you would like to watch next. Thank you.